take me home tonight. Well, tonight, before we go home, we have this elevator here at ShopRite somewhere in Monmouth, something, New Jersey. I forgot the name of. I'll put it in the title. But anyways, this is an aero elevator at ShopRite, and I just didn't plan on being back here again. But we'll go for a ride. Sorry, I have to keep talking over the music. I wish I could let you hear, but it's one of my favorite songs I've ever heard in my life. Let's go to 2, and here we go. Are you coming down? If you were wondering, I'm just into elevators. I'm not getting off.
Yeah.
This elevator actually has quite a motor going up. This is an aero elevator. All right, have a great day. All right, we're gonna close the door. I want to start the motor on this thing. Anyways, I definitely want to go home tonight. Here we go. All right, let's go on to 1. And Kobe Calais is playing. It's called Bubbly, I think. Well, unfortunately, I'm not very bubbly this time because I am too tired. So anyways, there it goes, and that's it.